In this video lesson, you will learn about another Flutter layout widget that is called Row. It will allow you to align different widgets in your app horizontally in a single row. To learn how to align widgets vertically in a single column, please watch a couple of previous video lessons in this playlist. To create a new row, we use Row widget, and each row can contain multiple widgets in it. We add child widgets into a row by using its children properties, like this. Using children property, we can add an array of different widgets into a single row. Let's, for example, add a couple of text widgets. Now I will save changes to this file and will reload my app to see how it works. And now I have two widgets in a single row. They are positioned very close to each other, but if you wrap each text widget into a container widget and set padding and margin, then it will look much better. And to learn how to wrap widgets into a container widget, please check this playlist for a video tutorial. We can add more widgets into a single row, and all widgets, they will be aligned horizontally starting from left to right along the main horizontal axis. And in the following video lesson, I will show you how to align widgets within a row. You can align widgets within a row along the main horizontal axis or along the cross axis, which is vertical.